Hello, my name is Gordon and a warm welcome to Festool TV. The Festool Domino makes creating strong, accurate joints in a variety of materials a quick and simple task. But it is more than just a machine. When combined with these accessories, it becomes a system with which we can achieve so much more. All these accessories are common to both the DF500 and the Domino XL DF700. The first thing I'm going to show you is the Domino Assortment Kit. It's an essential item when you first get a domino machine, as everything you need is in the kit. In addition to the 1106 beechwood dominoes of all sizes, the kit includes a set of cutters, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10 millimeters. All packed in a sustainer, it represents great value for money. If you run low on any size, you can pop into your local Festool dealer and buy a blister pack of dominoes to top up your sustainer. Similar kits are available to complement the DF700 too. It couldn't be simpler to change your domino size. There's no special setup, simply change the cutter and that's it. The clever geometry of the machine sorts the rest. To change your cutter, make sure the power is disconnected, then using the spanner in the box, pop up this black lever here. That now reveals the cutter. The spindle lock is located here. Simply press the button and rotate the cutter until the button locates, and then take your spanner and remove the cutter. There's no need to over tighten the cutter, just a little pinch will be fine. In addition to beech dominoes, which are ideal for interior projects, we also have our Sipo Dominoes. These are designed for external projects such as gates, windows and doors, and are insect and mold resistant. If you want to create custom lengths of dominoes, why not choose these 750mm lengths in sizes 8, 10, 12 and 14mm. Simply trim them to length. At this point, the next thing I'd like to show you is the trim stop. This is a really useful piece of kit, and it allows you to place a domino on very narrow pieces of stock, including into the end grain. It can be used on materials between 22mm and 70mm wide. It also makes mitering small components very easy. Simply mark the centre line of your material and line up the centre line of the domino with your marking out. Next, move these fences to the material and then lock off, and you're good to go. Another useful item you've seen on these clips are these cross stops, which are designed to give repeat consistent centres up to 200mm. These are perfectly suited when joining larger sheet materials and planks, for example a tabletop. Fit them to the base of the machine, here, and here. Present the domino to the workpiece, using the tight setting and the black stops first on both sides as start points. Make your first cuts. Next, adjust the domino to a wider setting. Locate the pin in the hole that you've just routed and pull it across till it stops. It's as easy as that. So that's it for the DF500 accessory range for the moment. Keep watching for more hints and tips on using the domino machines in the future. My name's Gordon, thank you for watching.